So today I'm doing a different type of wash day using different type of products. Today I'm doing a wash day using only kitchen products. What? You heard me correctly, only using kitchen products. So the first thing I did was I pre-pooed my hair overnight with coconut oil. And I had 2 plastic bags on, as well as a shower cap that has, like, it's lined with a plastic and cloth on the outside, which is a little bit less noisy than if I was to just using shower caps. And then I just used this scarf just to make sure nothing's draining on my skin throughout the night. So this is how my hair looks, and I must say when I pre-poo with coconut oil, when my hair misses it, it gets my hair really detangled. Even though I try not to detangle it, it just has so much slip that it does end up taking out some of those knots. So I'm just demonstrating how I applied the coconut oil last night. So I would have run my hands under running water, because I did do this in the bathroom, and then I would have went like this with the water, or I would have went like this, and then I would have taken some coconut oil into my hands, and then I would have rubbed it together, and then I would have done that, as well as doing this because some of my ends were a little bit like they were a little bit knotty. I know y'all wondering, so how are you gonna shampoo, condition, deep condition, and use a leave-in conditioner without using any store hair products? You must be using something store-bought. I mean, technically these come from the store, these come from the grocery store. So I did go to the grocery store for these items, but I'm gonna tell you what I'm using. So like I said, the coconut oil is my pre-shampoo or my detangler. So this is going to be your pre-shampoo detangler. Next, I'm going to be going in with my baking soda. This is just baking soda and water in a nozzle bottle. If you're not new to this channel, you know that I do use baking soda once in a while. One thing, I'm a little bit more careful with it because this does loosen your texture. And if you are new to my channel, you know what, go ahead and subscribe right now. If you are new here, go and subscribe, because you know, this is what we're doing on this channel. All weird things and all good things for your 4C and type 4 hair. So anyway, once I'm done with the baking soda and water cleanse, I'm going to next go in with my deep conditioner. And my deep conditioner, I put it in a plastic bag. I can eat this. I can literally eat this. So this is avocado, mayonnaise, olive oil, and that's it. So look how good that looks. Like, let me show you how creamy it is. I just put it in a bag and squish it because it was already like a really ripe avocado. So you can tell, like, it looks so creamy. And I have done avocado on my hair before, but I haven't done it in a while, and I've never mixed it with mayonnaise. So we're gonna try that out. And of course, you know, olive oil is just, everybody's used olive oil. If you're natural, you've been using olive oil. And then I'm gonna cleanse / leave-in. So this is gonna be my conditioner / leave-in conditioner. These are funnel seeds. Now, I ain't seen no videos where people are using funnel seeds on their hair, but I picked up these funnel seeds as an accident because I thought that these were flax seeds, what's currently trending. But I must say, I might be on to something with this. I'm gonna have a separate video about this because I've been reading up on this. You can use this for cellulite. You can use this as a facial toner. And then you can use this as a final rinse for dandruff and stuff. So we're going to test this out because I'm not using any products for my scalp. This is going to be the only thing that I'm using. I have it in an old pasta bottle. I added some warm water. It said to like smush the seeds a little bit. So I smushed the seeds with the back of a spoon first. And then I added some hot boiling water, and it said to let it cool. So I'm going to let it cool just a little bit, but not too much because low porosity hair problems. And then I did some aloe vera. I do have an aloe vera plant. I took a leaf, I cut out the jelly, and I grated it with some water. So I'm going to go ahead and actually, I mean, this seems fine, but I can put this back in the fridge just so this is going to be what's going to close my cuticle. So these 2 are going to just be my leave-in conditioner. And when I refresh, I'm going to be using these 2 as well. So let's see how this turns out. So I just got done putting in the baking soda and washing it out. So I would have applied water to my hair first, some hot water, warm water, and then I went ahead with the water mixed with baking soda. Nothing used to clean my hair like baking soda, like in terms of cleaning it and leaving it soft after. So now, deep condition time. Now I wonder if I should warm this up first. If it's good for your body, it must be good for your hair. Let me show you how creamy that is. And I just like rubbed it in my hands a little bit, but it does look like a real deep conditioner, doesn't it? So you're just going to take it from your ends and work it up. And it does feel like it's a little bit too wet, so I'm going to dry my other sections before I go ahead and add this onto those, because it feels like my hair was too wet when I added that just now. It feels like this feels like a protein treatment. Like I can already feel the tightening. Look, I don't want to detangle my hair too much with it. I'm gonna wait till like it sits. But I do feel like I want to warm it, but then I don't want to warm it at the same time. Should I warm it? I'm gonna just keep it cold for the front, and then I'm gonna warm it for the back and see if it makes a difference. What I like about it is it doesn't feel like my hair is breaking. It feels like I'm just getting shed hairs. So let's warm it a little bit. This is how it looks after warming in the microwave. And I do feel like the mayo gave it like a different texture to it. Look at that. Look at the heat. Yeah, it's really hot now. I did add a glove because my hands are weird. And it's really sensitive.
So I did not realize that when I added the gloves, it got really noisy, so I'm just going to voice over this part. So what you see me doing is just adding the warmer, well, the more so hot, homemade deep conditioner with the avocado oil, and just working it onto the strands, starting from the bottom, working my way up. And once I feel that the hair is fully saturated, I'm going to start just separating and opening up the hair. And that is how I start to finger detangle. So in little sections, I start to just work my fingers through to make sure that the product goes through. Oh, and then I went back in. This is me now going back in with that homemade one and applying it to the parts that had the colder deep conditioner. And once I did that, like my curls were starting to pop a lot more. Like it just felt different. I think I'm gonna also mention that.
So I'm not sure if you see that, but no, you don't. You can't see it. But there's like a lime green oil going on. I think that you can kind of see it. Yeah, it's so interesting. Let me just show you one side and what it looks like. Oh, I'm getting a little bit of an itch, but I usually have an itchy scalp, so hopefully the funnel seeds helps with that. Look at that. It really for real looks like a deep conditioner. I'm getting another piece of shed hair coming out. Wow, that knot came right out. It's gone. Look at that. So tell me if y'all ever did an avocado deep conditioner. When I took out the avocado mixture, my hair actually felt pretty okay. It was not bad. My ends did feel just a little bit rough, but overall it had my curls popping. My hair felt so moisturized. My shrinkage was like on 100%. And my hair really loved it. But I did try this again in the shower, and honestly, at first, the first action, it was going by smooth, but this, I ain't gonna lie, this is a no for me. a hard no. Like, okay, well, since I already did all those stuff, I'm just gonna apply my aloe vera juice. My scalp feels clean, my hair feels clean. I don't have on any gloves anymore, but you can still smell the seeds, and I really don't mind the scent. Like, I actually really like the scent. So let me just show you what my hair looks like. I'm like taking one of the twists down. So I'm just about to part my hair and actually do a little protective style of twist. Let me take the black shirt off so you can see. But my hair does not feel bad. My hair feels like it does feel like it needs like an oil or something. Which I'm still trying to decide if I want to use an oil. You know what, let me grab some olive oil just in case I use it. So I grabbed the oil. This is olive oil. I just put it in this bottle. Felt like it does feel like my hair needs like a slight coating because it still feels really clean. And I'm going to be adding on the aloe vera and water. So I'm just going to show you how I do like my medium twist. And I'm getting pretty good slip. Like, even the one without the glove has a really good slip. Oh, I'm dead. So I'm finally finished. I want to say 3 hours later. 3 hours, because that includes detangling the side that was not detangled properly with from the easy detangler. I did not realize that I didn't give you guys a full 360. So here it is. Even though I already turned down the brightness on my camera. How about that shine though? Stiff will. I can say that even though I applied all that oil, it's not coming off of my hands. My hands are good. It's good.